Today we are going to look at how to screen record your laptop or desktop with audio. That probably sounds incredibly simple, but I can assure you it is not. Now before we head into the video, do not forget to subscribe because we drop helpful tips like these on the regular. Now, if you fall into the first group, it will be as simple as using Windows built-in game bar. Hit Windows, Alt, and R, and that should immediately start recording. Now, another way to do this would be to bring up the game bar overlay, and you can do that by pressing Windows key plus Alt plus G. Now, if you're like me, this didn't work out for you. The record button, as you can see in the overlay here, is grayed out. The same for if I try to use it on the file browser. So it won't record anything in the file explorer and it won't record the actual desktop. So enter phase 2. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you are still safe. With NVIDIA, all you need is the NVIDIA app. Once you've downloaded and installed the NVIDIA app, you can press Alt and Z to open the overlay and you'll be met with a nice record feature here. Problem solved. Now, this might not be highly customizable or anything crazy like that, but it gets the job done. Now, if you've got an AMD graphics card, it's very much the same, though generally I only had an AMD laptop way back in the day and it ran hotter than a furnace in summer, but it was still capable of recording my desktop screen with sound. And the feature you're looking for is called Relive. So all you really need to do here, right click on the desktop and it should bring up your AMD graphics settings. Left click in there. Inside your AMD graphics settings, if you are running the latest driver for your graphics card, even if it's a built-in graphics card and not a dedicated one, you should have the Relive option and you should be able to toggle it on. Once you've done that, once again, just like NVIDIA, Alt-Z will bring an overlay and you can hit record, no problems. Now, if you're still here, then I've got some unfortunate news for you. You are going to have to opt for other third-party programs. If we're talking free ones, it's most definitely going to be OBS, but OBS is very complex. So what I would rather recommend is Bandicam. It's easy to install, highly configurable, and most importantly, easy to use. The only catch with Bandicam is that it has a watermark, and the only way to get rid of said watermark is to either pay $2.78 a month or $44.96 for lifetime access to Bandicam 2025. I hope we managed to help you out. Let us know in the comment section if any of these worked out for you, and I'll see you in the next one.